Hello, welcome. It's Rongur. So today's video is gonna be a little unboxing review. I know I've never done this before. Previously it was just gameplay videos, but I've invested a little bit more money for this channel because, you know, why not? Because it's fun. And I need a new chair because I've been hurting my back. So I went to Amazon, I got this chair. I went through a few series of chairs. I'm like, oh, do I want this one? Do I want this one? But I want some leg rest and everything. And I finally came down to this because it seems like this one has the most support, the most cushion, and he has a leg rest. And you know, I'm not really big on Fortnite, but this one has like a design that's subtle enough that you can't tell it's Fortnite. It's a little better than the other models that are similar. So let's just get into it. I'm not gonna wait longer. I'm so excited. This took 2 days to ship. It's fairly quick, especially during this COVID-19 era. So let's go. This was definitely very heavy to just get it up in my room. Here's a little display of what it would look like. So let's not wait any longer. I've got my scissors over here and let's open the box. So this will be my first gaming chair ever. Yeah. So I'm not really a furniture builder kind of guy, but this will be my first time building anything from furniture. Not even IKEA. I always have someone build it for me. But it's time to grow up. Okay. So I'm just gonna put the box to the side a little bit. Okay, so right now I'm gonna first take out the first part over here. I don't know what this is. This looks like one of the armrests. I'm gonna put it here. I think this is the other armrest. I'm gonna put it right here. Here we go. Oh boy, that's heavy. Okay, I think this is where I sit on. Yeah, this looks like this. Oh, this is the leg rest and also the cushion for your buttocks. And this is finally the back support. Probably the biggest part of the entire box here. Ugh. Oh boy, look at that. Well, I'm very excited, folks. Is that it? Okay, this is heavy. This is some box, something for parts, and another. And that's it, really. This is everything that's in the box. I'm just gonna put everything to the side. First ever experiencing build on a chair. Oh, what's this? Looks like these are the wheels, the bottom. It's very, I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of cheap to me, but it's pretty heavy. It's plastic. Yeah, so this is basically going to expand to the sides, I think. And we got the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. Man. Now I'm gonna put the second box. Ugh, this is also heavy, man. What the heck? I thought those would be the heavy parts, but this is also heavy. Oh, boy. Looks like this is the part where you adjust your seat up and down or backwards and forward. But man, this part is heavy. I think this is the heaviest part. Smallest yet heaviest. Still no sounds of instructions. Oh, okay. We got screws and bolts and whatnots. Oh, wait a minute. This is also heavy. I want to make sure I don't miss this. Okay. The hell is this? I'm so confused. Oh, this is the support for the legs of the chair. Got it. I'm gonna do a lot of wiping at the very end, I feel like. And that's very well oiled. Oh, yeah, there's the instruction. Step 1, there's 6 steps to this. So step number 1, unfold the chair base. So we got the base of the chair, and we were going to unfold this. Man, it looks very dirty. It requires a bit of muscle. Ow! That pinched me. Maybe I should just do this. Yep, there it is. Okay, we got the leg of the chair. You know, I thought the material looks cheap, but it actually feels very strong. Very solid. So I'm pretty impressed. Okay, step number 2. Insert the Castros, which is this little thing. Ah! Is that supposed to fall out? Into the base and insert the gas lift. So I'm going to insert this thing first. So it's going to go like this. And this is following it. I guess I'm going to attach the wheels first. Apparently it mentioned that I'm supposed to attach the wheels. Attach the wheels here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put it to the underside like this. That's about how far it goes. Alright, now we're gonna touch the big guy. I'm gonna put this to the side a little bit. So we're gonna mess with this. This is gonna be the cushion and also the leg rest. Crucial part of the entire chair. So let me just slowly, gently get this out. Ah, look at that smooth leather. Oh, it's already attached to it. Ah, I see. It just slides out and slides in. Okay. Alright, step 3. Attach the seat plate to the bottom of the seat. So there are 4 screws here, 4 holes. And it looks like I'm going to be using some of these bolts. And I'll be attaching this bad boy. Oh, this is so heavy, I'm not going to lie, guys. Whoa. So let me just gently get this out. I got to do everything gently, to be honest. This is a fairly expensive item. I don't want to mess it up. Oh, I think it's like this. Cool. So everything's all aligned and I'm just going to screw it in. Okay, I got somewhat screwed in. So this goes like this. Goes in. Okay, now I'm gonna tighten everything else so that we are secure. Don't want to be too tight so you don't break the bolts. But tight enough so it's secure. So I've screwed in these 4 bolts in. And now it's pretty sturdy, I think. I can't really move it anymore. Good, that's what we want. All right, part 4. Insert gas leak into the seat plate. We're gonna actually put it in this time. Wow, this actually goes fairly quick. A lot quicker than I expected. I can say if I'm actually not trying to make this video, it will be done in 15 minutes. But a little commentary adds a little bit more minutes. Okay, so I gotta be careful. This is kind of heavy. This going nice and easy. Is that it? Is it supposed to screw in or? Oh, okay, that clicked in. So that's I think what's supposed to happen. Do you guys hear that? So we're halfway there. I think we're more than halfway there. Yeah, I can't really take it off anymore, so that's pretty solid. And then this 3 bolts is something we're gonna mess with next. We're gonna attach the back seat on there. Step number 5, align back cushion A with the seat plate and attach with bolts. Now we're playing with bolts again. So we're going to open the big boy right here. Woo. This is actually pretty quality leather. It feels like my car's leather. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more cheapy, you know? Holy moly! Whoa! Look at that, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Make sure we move this part. I think we gotta be gentle here. Yep. Hey! So let's make sure everything is all aligned. So they gave me 3 washers and 3 spring washers, no spare parts. So if you break it for some reason, you're screwed. It'll be just like that. And we screw it in. Okay, screw number 2, last one. Right up top, and we're gonna use this bad boy to finish the job. All right, all screwed. And last but not least, we got the armrest, people. Kind of crucial here for a level of comfort. So, whoa, I'm actually very satisfied so far. Okay, we're gonna go with, there's 2 armrests, as it should. Holy moly, look at that quality. Make sure it's all the way in there, nice and tight. Don't lose peace, because it's gonna go a long way with you. Voila! I think that's pretty strong. Now, we're gonna cap it. There we go. Okay, so same step for the other side, I believe. Oh my gosh. The more I look at it, the more I'm like fell in love with it. Okay, where's the other armrest? Oh, this one's got a special wrapping here. Everything's blue. All right, same step as before. Same screw, same process, just the other side. Final steps. Strong, tight, secure. That's our motto, people. Strong, tight, secure. Go, go, go. Strong, tight, secure. Could be an ad for a condom too. Strong, tight, secure. Voila! It's done. Pretty easy. So this footage is like 35 minutes of recording, but that's including unboxing. So technically building it without talking as you go, it's probably like 15 minutes to build it, which is really nice, which is pretty easy. So it's nice, guys. Let me just give you a quick tour of the chair. Actually, before we do that, let me sit on it and make sure it doesn't collapse on me. All right, you guys ready? First impression. Oh, that's comfy, man. Can I lean back? Oh, shit. Whoa, it goes that far. I didn't know it goes that far. I guess I can sleep in this. Whoa. Man, I could take a nap. How do I get this back up? Ah! Okay. This is how it looks like going around. Super back support all the way to the back and all the way to the back of your head, which is really nice. And it swings like this, so you can easily, you know, swing back if you want to. Let me show you from the side view. Let me move a little forward. Oh, okay, this is the mat. So it's almost 180 degree, but since I'm like 5'6", so I kind of need to like slide up a little bit to get the full bed feel. Honestly, yeah, I can take a nap in this. This is kind of nice. The leather feels nice. It's very soft. I don't know why people give bad reviews for this, but I don't know. Maybe I'll review this chair in 2 months, see what it's like. But if I get up, you know, thank goodness I have a little bit of abs. Not abs, just core muscle. Can I lock this though? There should be a button, right? Oh yeah, there's a lock. Oh, okay, yeah. So you just put it up and down. So it stops right there. So you got 2 levers in this chair. One is to lock and how far you want to move. So let's say I'm gonna unlock this, right? So you can go like all the way up here, all the way down here. Let's say you want to stop right here and then you lock it and it stops. and you're good. You're watching a movie, you're sleeping, whatever you want to do. It's almost like a lazy boy, but with style and doesn't look as lazy, and it easily spins around. I think the armrest is the best part. This is very comfy. There's a lot of support in this. The couch itself, it's actually pretty soft. I would say it's pretty close to my car seat, because my car seat in the car is leather as well, so it kind of feels the same. And then height, let's see how far I can go up and down. So I'm going to get up. All right. Okay, pretty high. I'm 5'6", like I said. My butt's all the way to the back. I can't touch the ground. Like Kevin Hart said, ain't nobody gonna take you seriously if you swing your feet. Now see, sliding down, how far does it go? Whoa! So that's actually not much. If you ask me, I've had chairs before where it goes up and down pretty far. This one is not so much. So what we haven't tried is this leg rest, because this is, I think, the reason why I bought this chair too, because it has the leg extender. You know, I can watch a movie, lay my head back, and freaking completely relax. It's coronavirus, we can't go to the theater. I'm gonna make it at home. So this is exactly it. It's down there. Ooh, did you break something? I hope not. That would suck. So it's down here. So it slides out like that. Okay, that's where it stops. And then you just gonna have to, oh, does it flip out? Oh, it flips out. Flips up. So see, up, flips up. So there's my legs. And I'm gonna go all the way down back. So this is officially my new bed, guys. Why? Why would you wanna leave this? Why would you wanna leave this chair? This is fantastic. It's a bit wobbly on the chair, so you can't really, you don't wanna be too rough on it unless you break the thingy and you don't want to. And just be gentle with it. With everything that you buy, just be gentle with it. So the reason I bought this chair, because it comes in so many colors. And I'm not really big on Fortnite, really, to be honest with you. But this one turns out to be pretty cool. And it doesn't really scream Fortnite unless you look at the tag. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm gonna use it to the daily. I'm working from home now. I'm playing my video games, doing video editing, everything. And if I'm watching a movie right here on this TV, I can just pop it back up and just lazy boy, you know what I mean? Have a little beer over here. It's like my man cave. This was on sale from $250 to $185. With tax and everything, I ended up paying $198, which is still cool, under 200 bucks. Under 200 bucks, this is great. So I'm gonna put the link down below on the Amazon link where I got it, and I'm gonna attach the video also as a review. And I hope you guys liked the video, and here's a little reel for you guys on the full look of the chair. Thanks for watching. Here we go.